Hello, today I'll share the recipe for a delicious, fluffy lemon pound cake. It's very simple to prepare. The list of ingredients is in the description below the video. New viewers are, of course, invited to subscribe to my channel. All the ingredients should be at room temperature. First, we'll beat 5 egg whites with sugar until stiff peaks form. I have 3/4 of a cup of sugar prepared. I'll gradually add it to the egg whites and mix all the time. Once the egg whites are blended, I'll reduce the speed of the mixer and add 1 egg yolk at a time, mixing constantly. Then I'll add the zest and juice of 1 whole lemon. Then we'll add half a cup of oil. I use 250 milliliter glasses, and finally we'll add sifted potato starch, wheat flour and baking powder. I've added 3/4 of a cup of potato starch and 3/4 of a cup of flour. Add a teaspoon of baking powder and mix everything together. As I mentioned earlier, blend on low speed briefly, just until it's combined with the ingredients. The longer we mix, the more likely we are to end up with lumps. This mixture doesn't have to be perfectly smooth as long as the flour isn't visible in the dough. Now, prepare a 30 centimeters long loaf pan lined with baking paper. Tip in the prepared dough and put it into a preheated oven at 170 degrees. Bake for about 20 minutes or until a dry skewer can be removed clean and your muffin is ready. You might want to frost it, sprinkle it with powder. It presents itself beautifully and tastes great. The quantity of ingredients can be found in the profile description. I encourage you to keep watching the upcoming videos. Greetings.